What's for dinner?
Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z and welcome back to my channel, Chef Z Cooks. Today I'm back with a brand new recipe, and a recipe that not only is it super tasty, super exciting, also really quick. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Dominican style ribs in the air fryer. Now listen, this is hands down has become one of my favorite recipes to make in the air fryer because I get to have some delicious Dominican style ribs without all of the added oil. Now, some of you guys are wondering, okay Z, you said ribs, you said Dominican style ribs. What makes these ribs so special than say regular saucy ribs? And that's it right there. Regular ribs tend to be super saucy, either in some type of barbecue sauce, whereas Dominican style ribs are actually deep fried, and then at the very end we like to drizzle some fresh lime over top. Now lucky for you, I do have a video here on my channel where I show you the traditional way of making Dominican style ribs, and today we're going to remix it, use the air fryer, and trust me, you're going to love it. So let's go ahead and jump right into the recipe.
Making these air fryer Dominican ribs is super easy. You're going to need some spare ribs, some kosher salt, some orange juice, Dominican oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, some fresh limes, and some olive oil. So we're going to start off by making the rubs for our ribs by adding the Dominican oregano, the onion powder, and the garlic powder. Now you're going to notice that I'm using dried ingredients, and I typically do this whenever I'm air frying things because I don't want the fresh garlic and the fresh onions to actually burn in the air fryer, which will then give me a bitter taste. Now, whenever I make this the traditional way by making it on the stove, I typically do like to use the fresher ingredients since I will be braising that. But since this is an air fryer recipe, I do like to change it up. But that doesn't mean you can add some fresh ingredients like these fresh limes, which are so juicy and full of flavor. And it's also going to give it some nice, awesome depth. Now, one of the great things about pork is that it goes amazing with some fresh lime. And after I've added the fresh lime, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to add some orange juice, and this will give the flavor of some homemade sour oranges, which I also like to add whenever I'm making some pork. I am then going to add some kosher salt, and you can be fairly generous because remember, pork tends to sweat off some salt. We're now going to add some olive oil, which is always great whenever you are air frying things just because it helps it crisp up beautifully. We're now going to mix everything until it's well combined, and this is an awesome marinade, which by the way that you can use for other proteins like chicken and fish. However, this is one of my favorite marinades to make whenever I'm making pork because just like pernil, it goes beautifully. So now we want to take our spare ribs and we're going to add that marinade all over, and we want to make sure to really mix it in and make sure that each piece of the ribs is beautifully coated in this delicious marinade, which you guys already saw is super easy to make. Now, as you guys know, I do like to use gloves whenever I am doing this, and I like to make sure and rub it individually on each rib because we want it to be full of flavor. I'm now going to let it marinate for at least 20 minutes. I'm now going to set my air fryer to air fry, and I like to set it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 32 minutes. Now for the first 2 minutes, I actually like to let my air fryer heat up and come up to temperature because I find that this gives me the perfect results. And after those 2 minutes, we're now going to set our ribs into the air fryer. And it's really important that you actually don't overcrowd the air fryer. Now, how many ribs you can add into your air fryer will 100% depend on the size of your air fryer along with the size of the ribs because these two things tend to vary. So once I've added the ribs to the air fryer, I'm going to cover it and I'm going to let it air fry for 15 minutes. And then after those 15 minutes, I'm gonna go in and I'm actually going to flip them over because I want it to crisp up evenly on all sides. And this is a great way of making sure that these Dominican style ribs comes out beautifully and perfectly in the air fryer. So once I've added them in, I cover it, and then after those second 15 minutes, as you can see, they are beautiful, brown and crispy. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take them out, and then I'm going to air fry my second batch. Now, how many batches you have to cook and you have to make totally depends on the amount of ribs that you're making, and again, the size of your air fryer. I'm using my Ninja Foodi, which is pretty big and pretty generous in size. I will link it down below for anyone who's interested. Now, as you can see, these ribs are a little bit on the smaller side than my first batch, so I'm actually able to fit in a few more ribs. I'm going to repeat the steps from the first time, which is simply air frying them for about 30 minutes and then flipping them once I'm halfway through. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I find that anytime I'm making several batches in my air fryer, the second batch always cooks a little bit quicker and comes out a little bit crispier. Comment down below if the same thing happens to you. Now, just like the first batch, I'm going to cover them and I'm going to wait until they're perfectly cooked. And look at how beautifully fried these ribs come out. Now, these taste just like regular Dominican style ribs. However, I don't actually get to deep fry them, so I feel a little bit better about making them in the air fryer. And like usual, I like to go in at the very end and I like to squeeze a fresh lime over top because that really takes it out of this world. If you have any questions, feel free to visit my website for the full recipe.
All right, guys, so here you have it. These are the air fryer Dominican style ribs. I can't wait to dig into them, but before I do, just want to give you guys a huge thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to join the Chef Z family and hang around because we have so many delicious recipes here on my channel. Just click anywhere and I'm sure a video will pop up. Now, as usual, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna dig right into these. I can't wait. Now, if I didn't already tell you this in the video, just know that you can alter the settings with your air fryer until they're perfectly cooked. If you feel like they're cooking too quickly, just go ahead and pull them out. It's still gonna be tasty. Here we go. That is so good. I did not take a TV bite, I took a big old bite. That is seasoned to perfection. That lime in the end is everything. So, so good. I'll see you guys next week. I'm Chef Z y buen provecho. These are bomb, babe. These are so good. I don't know if I'm gonna leave you any. So, so good. So juicy. Ooh, and they're like, fall off the bone. I can't make this up. So good.